everyone, welcome to IAS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topic of the day. Today's topic is significant gains in literacy, enrollment and school infrastructure achieved since constitutional guarantee of right to education. As our country develops, the main focus must be on education, said by Shri Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, at a seminar on school education in India towards equitable access to quality education for all, organized by the Council of Social Development, stressing that education is fundamental to the nation's growth. Shri Puri underlined that India's journey from a $4 trillion economy today to a $35 trillion economy by 2047 rests on nurturing a generation of responsible and productive citizens through universal, high quality and inclusive education. Highlighting the transformative policy milestones in the last 2.5 decades, the minister noted that in 2002, during Vajpayee government, the constitutional foundation of the right to education (RTE) was firmly laid through the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act, which guaranteed free and compulsory education for children aged 16 to 14 years by making it a fundamental right under Article 21A. This decisive step shifted elementary education from a directive principle to an enforceable right, eventually leading to the enactment of the RTE Act in 2009. Citing pre-RTE and post-RTE data from UDISE and ASER reports, Shri Puri shared encouraging outcomes in the education sector. The youth literacy rate has reached nearly 97%. The gender literacy gap has narrowed significantly, supported by initiatives like Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and enrollment rates have witnessed remarkable growth, with primary enrollment rising from 84% to 96% and upper primary enrollment from 62% to 90%. Equally notable are improvements in educational infrastructure and teacher resources. The teacher-pupil ratio has improved from 42:1 to 24:1. The proportion of schools with separate girls' toilet has surged from 30% to 91%, and those with electricity have increased from 20% to 86%. Meanwhile, the dropout rates has seen a sharp decline from 9.1% to 1.5%. Reflecting on India's broader educational journey, he pointed out that literacy at the time of independence stood at 17%, which has now advanced to around 80% according to NSSO data, an achievement that paves the way for universal education as the next frontier. The seminar paid tribute to the vision and legacy of Professor Muchkund Dubey, in whose honor the Muchkund Dubey Center for Right to Education has been instituted at the Council of Social Development. The minister expressed gratitude for the opportunity to inaugurate the first event of the Muchkund Dubey Center for Right to Education, honoring Professor Muchkund Dubey's enduring legacy. Remembering him as a mentor and an exceptional diplomat, scholar and public intellectual, Shri Puri highlighted Professor Dubey's lifelong commitment to ensuring equitable and quality education for every child in India. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.